This is for Brad Lawler. Logan is allergic to a lot of things, including mold. Sent us an email saying that he read that the sink could have mold hiding in it and somehow connected to prostate problems. I'm not sure about that. Any thoughts on the mold?
Well, we have this asked periodically. I get some of the most beautiful pictures between bug bites and mold pictures. Yeah, people will ask about the buildup that you get, in particular, like a kitchen sink, and the technical term for that is bioslime.
Oh,
Bioslime.
hmm.
Yeah, it's just what they call it. But what it is it's a buildup of bacteria, food particles, fats, other sorts of lipids. And it doesn't really create any health issues. Now, it may stink. It's not particularly something that you want growing in there. But as far as it releasing mold spores into your environment, I think the risk there is extremely low. How do you deal with it? I mean, I know some people believe in just putting vinegar and baking soda down their drains periodically. I would caution, though, make sure that you test any of the metals around the sink because it will definitely discolor and corrode some metals. Other people believe in, hydrogen peroxide because it kind of foams up against those things. Whatever product you like, any disinfectant, any cleaning product, anything you use maybe in your bathroom to clean out sinks, that's probably a good thing to use. You can also remove it mechanically, as they say, with just using like a brush or, a plumber snake, will even work. But I don't think there's any health hazards for those things in the sink. But from a sanitation standpoint, I wouldn't want that stuff building up.
Yep. Got it. Bioslime, whoever thought of that?
Bioslime, that's right.
Bioslime. I,
Invented by a Nickelodeon producer.
of
That's
course,
right.
yes. Yeah. All right. A reminder that you can see what sellers are actually saying about us if you go to LouisvilleSellersTalk.com, LouisvilleSellersTalk.com. That's where I've done some interviews with our sellers as we're closing on their home.